Welcome back to Haven and Green, where inspiration meets innovation, and where the future of beautiful living is always within reach. Imagine stepping into a space that feels different the moment you enter, a space that is elegant yet inviting, luxurious yet deeply connected to nature. The homes of tomorrow are no longer defined only by what we build, but by how thoughtfully we choose to live within them. Around the world, a new design philosophy is emerging, one that blends creativity, sustainability, and comfort into a seamless experience. For years, interior design has focused on appearance alone. Today, however, people are searching for something more meaningful. They want spaces that tell a story, create a sense of well-being, and reflect a deeper connection with the environment. This shift is transforming the way designers, architects, and homeowners think about every element that fills a room. Modern living is becoming softer, warmer, and more organic. Sharp lines are being balanced with natural forms. Cold surfaces are giving way to textures that feel welcoming and alive. The result is a new generation of interiors that combine sophistication with authenticity. These spaces are designed not only to impress, but also to create comfort, calm, and a sense of belonging. At the heart of this movement is a growing appreciation for innovation inspired by nature. Instead of forcing nature to adapt to our lifestyles, we are learning how to work alongside it. Designers are discovering creative ways to merge technology, craftsmanship, and natural processes, creating environments that feel both futuristic and timeless. The beauty of this approach lies in its versatility. It can be found in minimalist apartments, expansive luxury homes, boutique hotels, creative studios, and even urban retreats. No matter the setting, the goal remains the same: to create spaces that feel harmonious, inspiring, and deeply human. As trends continue to evolve, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. People are moving away from disposal choices and embracing designs that offer lasting value. They are investing in pieces that have character, purpose, and a unique presence. They are choosing environments that support both personal well-being and a more thoughtful relationship with the world around them. The future of design is not simply about aesthetics. It is about creating experiences. Every texture, shape, and detail contributes to a larger story. It is a story of innovation, creativity, and a renewed appreciation for the natural world. It is about reimagining what luxury means and discovering new ways to bring beauty into everyday life. As we look ahead, the possibilities are endless. New ideas continue to emerge, pushing the boundaries of what interiors can become. The spaces of tomorrow promise to be more adaptable, more sustainable, and more inspiring than ever before. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and design. If you enjoy exploring the latest trends, visionary concepts, and groundbreaking ideas shaping the future of living, be sure to stay connected with Haven and Green. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and keep transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary. Welcome to the future of inspired living with Haven and Green.